Okay, here I am capturing my face performance using FaceCap app. So this FaceCap app has been a one-stop app that I've been using to capture facial capture, and it's actually performing really well. And depending on your face and how you speak, you can perform like a Muppet using just your own voice and facial expression to deliver some kind of performance. So it would be nice to capture the whole full body, but in this case I'm just using my face. So just like any speaker, podcaster out there to speak whatever they think and deliver it and publish it to people. These days you can use like the VTubers doing it using avatars, but yeah, with FaceCap you have a way to capture the facial performance and then delivering it with your own avatar. So this is my video talking and rambling, and my face is captured using the app, and all the data can be remixed inside Blender or any 3D package out there. So this is a quick test. Maybe I should track my hand as well, so we can put the 3D object here.